Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here we have silicon hexafluoride, which is anion. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here V represents valency, silicon has 4 and bonded atom is fluorine, which is 6. So if you substitute in the formula 4 plus 6 minus of minus 2, which gives 12 by 2. So H equals 6. The lone pair will be H minus B, which is 6 plus 6 equals 0. So H6 means sp3d2 hybridization, which is octahedral geometry. So you have octahedral 6 fluorine atom. So definitely the structure will be octahedral. So the shape of silicon hexafluoride dianion is octahedral. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.